Here we are leaving Carson City. I gotta go a little bit out of my way, probably like 20k to go to a bike shop to get some more tubes and some more pedal clips for my shoes because they're kind of getting worn out. But there's no bike shops for the next rest of Nevada, so I'm gonna load up before I make the old crossing. I'm gonna be on Highway 50. It's called the loneliest road in America, so stay tuned and keep me company. Look at all the deer. Deer. Oh, deer. Look at all the deers. White-tail buck deer. Munching on a clover. Well, just left Great Basin Bicycle Shop. Got some tubes and got some new pedal clips, and the road that I'm gonna take to get to the next town, the guy at the bike shop said don't take because there's big trucks and bad shoulders, but the way he wanted me to take added like another 100 kilometers and it was all climbing, so I said I'm pretty confident and I'm gonna send it, so wish me luck. This roads ain't a problem for old Stubborn and I. We're gonna make her. Cars are wailing though, I'll tell you that. Look at this shoulder though. This shoulder is luxury compared to what we were riding on. I don't know what that guy at the shop was talking about. Woo-hoo! Well, that officially marks the end of the dangerous road that the guy said. Literally word for word. Don't ride on that road, you will die. That's where all the big trucks go and the shoulders are a mess. I mean, it wasn't that bad. But here we are, about to start the loneliest road in America, across Nevada, so stay tuned. When I was on that road that the guy at the bike shop told me not to take, I happened to look down and look what I found. Perfect, just needs a little cleanup. That's not so bad a looking knife. Pays off to go your own way. Here we are, Fallon, Nevada. Despite the fact that I had to go about 20k out of the way this morning to go to a bike shop, still managed about 140k today, so it was a pretty good day. I wanted to stop here because they have like a Walmart and stuff like that, so I had to pick up some things before my trek across Nevada, because after this there's pretty much no towns on the road. I'm going on just like little hole-in-the-wall motels along the road, so it's good to get some supplies and load up. The hotel here, everything's got casinos and everything. They gave me a free drink token, so we might go have a little drinky poo. I think I've earned it. First drink in America as 21, but it's been a good 5 days. Getting ready to tackle Nevada, so keep it not so bad. I'll be talking to you, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.